Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and this is a drill for thoracic extension as well as some lat flexibility. So what you're going to need is a chair or a bench, some sort of hard surface, and a dowel, hockey stick, golf club, broom, whatever you got. So you're going to kind of underhand grip the stick. You're going to rest your triceps on the chair or bench and sit back kind of on your heels. You're going to allow your chest to fall towards the ground first, so we're getting thoracic extension, and then we'll pull our hands behind our head. And that'll get a little bit of a lat stretch as well as a little more thoracic extension. And we can just come out of it, sink our chest down straight towards the ground, and then pull our hands back